Got a hair video coming your way, ladies. It's filming day. Got some roots going on. I'll try to get it in the light better, or a better view of it. I got some new bags. They're designer. Shh. Today I'm gonna do a video on toning your hair. Not coloring, just toning. I'm currently on my way to drop off some biscuits to the chickens. I made a lot of biscuits. They didn't all get ate. Let me show y'all. Look at these biscuits right here. Look at them. These chickens are gonna be eating good. I know why I made too many, because when I make a small batch, there'll be like one left, and then my family will be like, oh, you didn't make enough. So then I make a huge batch, and I always have more than enough, which is fine with me. Do you need help? You need help? Huh? Titus, do you need help? You want chalk? Here you go. Chalk. Oh, pink. Good job. Wow. Alright, you can actually tell really good right here. You see where it's like dark, 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 and then you see that streak right there that's starting to come in? That's the red. So that is not my natural. So all of this is my natural color right here. And the simple and easy way I like to do my hair, because my hair is very, very long, y'all know that. But I just don't have time sometimes to actually like part it 4 ways and touch it up and do all that. I just don't have time for that. And then I... Hello! Camera hog, not camera shy at all. Hang on. So I get in the shower, I wet my hair, I wring the water out as much as possible. And then I already have my formula mixed up before I get in the shower. So then I just lather it all over. Like I start and I just go all the way and get the ends real good. And I use the whole bottle. And it's like a shampoo. Like on your hair, it'll start getting like lathery and big. A purple chalk. Good job, baby. So then I let it sit for 30 minutes. I just run some bath water after I've lathered my hair up really good, and I just sit there and I just have my time. I pray, I put on worship music, and just have my time to myself. I have not colored my hair in a while. I'll have to go back and look at my videos to see exactly when the last time I colored it. I have toned it. On our family channel there's a video of me hula hooping, and I had toned it the day before that, and at the time, I have hair color commitment issues. At the time, I was going to go a more natural route, so I was like thinking, okay, I'm done with the red, I'm over it, I just want to do something closer to my natural so that when my root does grow out, it matches better. And red is really, really hard to get out of your hair. But what I did was I toned my hair with a color closest to my natural, which is a level 8. Figure out what your natural level is. Mine is about an 8. And then I picked a tone that cancels out red. So it was pretty dark and I liked it. And what I'm doing this time is going to be even darker than that, but it's going to be red with a little bit of violet mixed in. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to see what it looks like. He's back. No, no, no. No, no. Oh my goodness. Oh. He's back. And my hair is a little bit oily. I actually prefer it to be a little bit more oily than this before I do anything to it. For one, it's easier to work with when it has some oil in it, and two, those oils what? The oils that are in your hair help protect your scalp from the chemicals that you're about to smother it in. And you can tone your natural hair. Like if you have virgin hair that has never had anything put on it, you can tone it. You just can't go lighter than your natural level. So if your natural level is like for me, instance, a level 8, I can't go in with a level 9 or level 10 toner. It's not going to do anything to my hair. I have to go in with a level 8 or darker. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any of those, and it will give you results. Okay, just showing you guys different lighting, what my hair looks like. I'm in my kitchen, and you can still see it does blend really good. I mean, it does. That's what I like about red. But right there, and then the red starts, and it looks like in certain lighting, I almost have like a little bit of blonde, which I like. And one day, I want to do like a blonde streak through here and a blonde streak through there. Kind of feels like I'm a little bit all over the place this video. I'm not really sure if I am, but if I am, just leave me a comment. Like if you have a question about anything at all, leave me a comment. I will answer. I get a lot of questions about my hair, so that's why I have this channel, guys. I'm excited to get this information out to you guys. Just leave me a comment, leave me a question. It's just hitting me that I've had a little bit too much coffee, but not really. I think I'm gonna have a little bit more. Okay, so here is my formula. I've got my bottle, and this is the colors that I'm going to be using. I have 4 RV Redken Shades EQ, I have 7 RR, and I have some red kicker here. Now, whatever I put in here for my formula, however much of this I put in here, I have to match it with this. So I'm going to be doing the full bottle of this in here, the full bottle of this in here, and 1 cap full, this cap on top here, of this red kicker. So then I'm going to go back and match it to this. So it would be 1 whole bottle, 1 cap full of this. Shake it all up, give it a minute to sit, hop in the shower. I'm going to wet my hair, wring the water out, run my fingers through it, and then apply this all over my head. And then I'm going to run a bubble bath while this sits on my head. You can use a shower cap if you want. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just sit there and just enjoy myself, have some worship music, have some prayer time, have me a little spa day. Then I get up after the 30 minutes and I rinse my hair out, shampoo and conditioner with Olaplex, and do my treatment on my hair, and I can't wait to see the results.
Ooh, got that sass in there.
What?
Got that sass in there, son.
What color?
Yeah.
Well, let's get yours in there. How about that?
I ain't the one with the famous YouTube channel.
It's not famous. It might be now, though.
Get over here.
But you're on there.
I ain't on there.
Running that trap. Yeah, you are.
Chickens are on there.
Make sure you hit the top, too. Put that on there.
Put that on there.
Alright, make sure you get the top.
Nope, never seen it.
Okay. You think that's good?